Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're at an older existing Trex deck, and we are going to be replacing the Trex product for the customer. The Trex product has failed. You can see the cracking and spalling, unfortunately. And the good news is that the manufacturer is sticking behind its warranty and taking care of it. So this is an older Trex deck, and unfortunately, some of the lots of the product did have problems, but the Trex company is standing behind it. So we're going to take all this apart and redeck it with brand new Trex product that is being provided for from the factory. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, your Trex authorized installer and contractor. We do this throughout the San Francisco Bay Area. We do new deck construction, big high hillside decks, little backyard decks like this. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. Give us a call if we can help you out. Thank you.